Hi guys, it's Ellie Rumble and today's video is going to be about slime. So why is slime so popular? My brother, he's 4, he likes it. I'm 12 and I love it. And even my mum loves it.
Hey, I'm Ellie's mum. Ellie absolutely loves slime. How do I feel about it? I hate it.
I love it because it's stress relieving, it's satisfying and it's just great.
It totally stresses me out. I am forever picking up slime.
I love slime because it's portable. You can play with it anywhere and everywhere. With your friends, in your bedroom, anywhere.
It gets everywhere. Sofa, floor, hair, clothes, dogs, you name it, there's slime stuck to it.
Woo! You can buy slime pretty much anywhere, but the fun thing is you can make it yourself. You can add colour, texture, glitter, just anything, and it's really easy to make.
Making your own slime, it's messy and it's actually really difficult. 9 times out of 10, great big epic fail. Don't even get me started on the hygiene.
Top tip, slime fans, make sure you store your slime in an airtight container, otherwise it will dry out. It's really easy. Go to your kitchen and grab a container like this.
I think probably every Tupperware or container or anything with a lid in my house contains slime.
Now it's not just slime. You can buy toys with slime. I think this is really funny. Ooh, and then it comes back out again. Ooh. I definitely think slime is becoming more popular over the internet with like satisfying videos, and I think it's just going to keep going and going, and people are going to find more types of slimes, more slime trends, and it's just going to last forever and ever. I mean, I definitely think that's going to happen.
I really don't see the trend of slime slowing down anytime soon, especially now that we have things like Slurper snot suckers.
Woo!
Hi, I'm Ethan, Ellie's little brother. I want to go in his room and get Ellie's slime and play with it.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Isn't that my slime?
No.